Hey you guys, the doc is Hope and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well and having a great week so far. So today I have something great in store. This video, just wait. So I have picked out some patterns that I have sewn up personally over the years that I would sew up time and time again. These are what I consider like tried and true when it comes to fit, when it comes to the directions, when it comes to like having those staple pieces in your wardrobe. These are the pieces that I have gotten like the most comments and compliments on over the years, and I'm bringing them to you today. And not only that, but they are all beginner sewing friendly. So if you are looking for some wow pieces to add to your wardrobe, or you're just starting to sew and you're wondering what to make to turn those heads to get people like, ooh, you made that? I got you, honey, I got you. Okay, so I think I have about 6 patterns total. So I can't wait to share them with you guys. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up down below. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do that so we can continue to hang out together. You guys can continue to catch these fun videos. Make sure to turn on your notification bell as well. And if y'all are ready, let's go ahead and get into this video. I'm not going to share these with you guys in any particular order because they are all amazing in my opinion. They had to make the cut. I've done a lot of sewing and these are just like, mwah, chef's kiss good. So here we go. The first pattern I'm going to share with you is one that I don't wear enough. And it's a pattern that I just get compliment after compliment on. And this is McCall's 8104. This dress, you guys, is so cute. It has like a bottom flounce as well as a sleeve flounce. So again, if you're just beginning to sew, you don't have to worry about hems here because you have a flounce. This changed the game for me because I first made this dress up when I first started sewing. I think I was like a year in, maybe a year and a half, and I made this up and I was like, I don't have to do any hems. Oh my goodness, it changed everything. Now I will let you know there are some buttons down the front. So you will have to do some buttons, but you know, I think you can do it. I think you can do it. This pattern is rated easy, according to McCall's. To me, it was not that difficult to make, even as a beginner. So definitely check into that if you want a really cute dress with some really cute like flowy spring vibes. This dress is everything. I am considering sewing this one up again, which I don't do often because I always have something new I want to make, but this is definitely at the top of my list of things that I would remake on repeat. So McCall's 8104. If you do not have this pattern, it has 10 pieces. Sizes range from a 6 to a 24. Your suggested fabrics are your crepes, your challis, your cotton blends, and your dotted Swiss. I think I used a challis, which I absolutely love. And y'all, the flowiness of this dress, you just can't get past it. So if y'all don't have that pattern, consider picking that up and sewing yourself up a super cute dress. All right, you guys, so the next pattern I'm gonna share with you, this is McCall's 7999. It's another dress. I adore this dress. I would make it again. I think I'm gonna make it up again for fall with the like turtleneck version because there's so many different views and it's just such a simple dress, but it's so cute. So McCall's 7999. I have a sew along for this. I'll link it here if you're interested. But again, this is one of those patterns that I made when I first started sewing that I absolutely love, that I would make on repeat. You can wear this dress anywhere, depending on which version you sew up. If you sew up VB, you can wear it to weddings, you can wear it to Christmas parties, you can wear it to office parties, New Year's Eve, all those things. And if you sew up view A or C, it's just such a cute cozy dress for like fall and winter. If you make it in a nice sweater knit or something like that, you can't go wrong. But again, another very simple make that makes a big impact. And so I love McCall 7999. So this dress again is rated easy. I think this dress only had like 4 pieces. I think it was back, front, sleeve, and then neckband. So you can't beat that. Just four simple pieces. For your suggested fabrics, it's your two-way stretch knits, 50% cross grain, your rib knits, your jersey, your interlock, and your velvet knits. This would be so cute in a velvet for the holidays. But any of those would be very, very cute. This pattern ranges from an extra small to an extra large, and they all come in one fun package. So definitely pick up McCall 7999 if you don't have it, and make yourself up a cute dress that I promise you will wear time and time again. Okay, so we're gonna switch it up a little bit. We're gonna switch it up a little bit. This pattern I made last year from Simplicity. Now I'm not showing you this pattern for the top. If you wanna make the top, make the top. The top is cute too. But I'm showing you this pattern for the pants because I wanted to bring you guys a simple, easy, beginner-friendly pants pattern that didn't have any bells or whistles, no buttons, no flies, no zippers, none of that. So I found this cute elastic pull-on pair of pants that I made that I absolutely love. The length, the fit, all the things, the instructions, everything. So this is Simplicity 9928, and it's an easy to sew. I got you, I got you. If you're intimidated by making pants, fear no more, because this is the pair of pants for you. This is the pair you should make first. You heard it here first. So this is View C. It comes in shorts as well, but View C is what I sewed up, and I absolutely love these pants. I think I made them in a poplin, and I mean, come on. I think I'm gonna make them again in like a neutral color so I can wear them with more things. I made them in pink. I made them in hot pink, you guys, but I love, love, love these pants. So, and then I will tell you there is a drawstring in front. I left the drawstring off for my pants because I wanted them to have a more polished, more sophisticated look. And I just thought the drawstring made them a little too pajama-ish. So you know, you decide, but I left the drawstring off of mine. This again is rated easy pattern. They do call this a lounge pant, but who's gonna know? Who's gonna know? Nobody's gonna know. I won't tell. So this pattern ranges from an extra small to an extra, extra large. Again, all in one package, so it's all there. Your suggested fabrics are your charmeuse, your cotton blends, your cotton lawn, your crepe de chine, your double georgette gauze, poplin, seersucker, and silky types. So you could get really creative with this pattern. If you want it to go like silky, like, you know, like evening vibes with a little luxury and sew up this set, that could be kind of cute. I'm just saying. But if you want it to go like more dressy, do a little poplin, you know, you could definitely do that as well, a cotton blend. But you could go, sky's the limit with this pattern. You could go just anywhere with it. So again, if you're a beginner or if you're just looking for some cute, comfortable pants, work pants, sometimes people don't want all those zippers and buttons when you're sitting down. We want to breathe, right? So if that's you, you might consider picking up this pattern from Simplicity and sewing yourself up some pants. And if you're tall, have no fear because these pants are long. So love, love, love that pattern. So the next pattern I'm going to share with you is a dress. This one I've been getting a lot of comments and compliments about lately. And I love this dress. I love it. When I sewed it up and I first put it on, I was like, oh, this is a bad dress right here. So this is McCall's 8105. Y'all, I love it. I mean, I thought when I first saw it, I was like, that's really cute. But once I made it, I adore. I adore. So I made view B of this dress, McCall's 8105, and I just can't get enough of it. The subtle slit in the front, the tie in the back, the crisscross in the front with the ruching on the side. Y'all, I would make this dress again in an instant, and I'm actually considering making it again because it was just that good. So this pattern has 7 pieces. It is again rated easy, beginner friendly. Your suggested fabrics are your crepes, your cotton blends, your stable knits, and your challis. It is lined, but it's an easy lining. I think it's only like the top part, the bodice that's lined. So keep that in mind, but I'm telling you, it's worth it. It's definitely worth it. The directions are good. You are going to need just 1 zipper. So if you want to install a zipper, keep that in mind as well. But yeah, I love this. I love that you can make it in a stable knit. I love that you can make it in a flowy fabric as well. I think I ended up using a crepe de chine and I loved it. This is one of my favorite dresses of all times. And the fit is amazing. So if you guys do not have McCall's 8105, pick that up. It's spring going into summer. Even if you finish it up in summer, it's gonna be bad anyway. So go ahead and pick it up and start on it now. Okay, so the next pattern I'm gonna share with you guys, I just recently made up and I adore. I adore this top. This is Butterick 6848, which I do have a sew along for. I will link it here, just in case you're interested. Super cute, super quick, super easy top that you can make in so many different fabrics, in so many different views, and have tops for days. Who doesn't need some separates? I need some separates. Y'all need some separates? If you need some in the comments, let me know you need some separates. So again, this is Butterick 6848. Love this pattern. This pattern, again, well, they actually rated it average. I would say I don't agree. I normally agree with what they say on the back, but I would say this is an easy. So, you know, once you go to my sew along, you know, you'll see. It's not bad at all. In my opinion, it was an easy sew. So this pattern has 7 pieces. This is your Mrs. t-shirt and tank top. It is designed for medium weight knits such as cotton knits, jersey knits, interlock, and novelty knits. So you have a lot of options there. This pattern ranges from an 8 to a 24, and I adore it. I adore the neckline. I sewed up view C, which is like a boat neck, kind of like what I'm wearing right now. I like this type of top because it shows a little bit of clavicle, and it's very casual chic, and then you could dress it up if you want to as well. So I adore this. I really love this. It's not lined or anything like that. You have a V-neck version, you have a short sleeve version, and then you have the 3/4 length sleeve, which is what I made. So I will definitely be making this pattern again on repeat because it is just that good, you guys. So if you do not have Butterick 6848, pick yourself up a pattern and sew it with me, okay? All right, you guys, so the last pattern I have for you today is one from McCall's, and I have another sew along for that one. This is McCall's 8160. And I had been sleeping on this pattern. I had seen this pattern around and I was like, it's all right. It's more than all right. So this is a shift dress, and this pattern I absolutely love. Again, I would make it on repeat over and over, and it is beginner friendly. They are saying that this is a level 1 learn to sew, and it is. Again, check out my sew along for this pattern. I made the dress, which is view B. It also has a top pattern option as well as shorts. again, get yourself some comfy separates, but this dress is just so comfortable, so easy to make, so chic. I mean, you could style it up, style it down, wear it with tennis shoes, wear it with boots, wear it with heels, whatever you want, depending on your fabric choice. And it's just so cute. It's one of those pieces that you could just wear for years. You can layer it with a jacket. Just so many different options, which is why I love this dress. So let's see here. This is your Mrs. top, dress, shorts, and pants. Oh, so there's pants too. Okay, I didn't sew those pants, but this might be a good beginner pants pattern for you as well, so definitely check that out. This pattern has 7 pieces. That's it, just 7. Your suggested fabrics are your cotton flannel, your cotton knits, and your cotton blends. And the only notion you're going to need is some elastic. Come on, you guys. I got you. I got you. I love this. So this ranges from an extra small to an extra large. And all of that is in one pattern package. So if you're bigger up top, smaller at the bottom, you can choose different sizes. If you're smaller up top, bigger at the bottom, you can choose different sizes. Whatever you want to do. If you want it oversized, if you want it tighter, pick it, and you can do it with this pattern. So I absolutely adore this dress, and I will be making this pattern again and again on repeat. So I love it. All right, you guys, I'm excited. I don't know about you, but I feel like I'm ready to sew. Y'all ready to sew? Are y'all ready to sew? So, okay, no pun intended, but that was it. That's it for the patterns that I have for you guys. The patterns that I intend to sew on repeat. The patterns that are beginner friendly, that you can just start off and just start making these hits. These are hit makers, y'all. So definitely grab these patterns. Let me know down below which ones you're gonna pick up, which ones you've sewn already. I would love to hear it. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. As always, I enjoyed making this video for you. Definitely be sure to give me a thumbs up down below, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so we can continue to hang out together. You guys can continue to catch these fun videos. All right, you guys. Well, I hope you have a wonderful weekend. And until next time, be blessed and happy sewing.